Hey there. Today we're diving into prime factorization, which is breaking a number down into the prime numbers that multiply to give that number. It's like figuring out the building blocks behind a number. For example, 75 becomes 3 times 5 times 5. We'll build a simple JavaScript function to do this. Let's see how it works. The goal here is simple. Take a number and return all its prime factors. These are the smallest prime numbers that multiply to get the original number. If the number itself is already a prime, then it's only the factor. We'll write a function that does this cleanly using a loop and some math. Here's how the code works. We first start with an empty array to hold our factors. Then, for every number starting at 2, we check if it divides the input. If it does, we push it to the result and divide the input down. We keep doing that until we cannot divide anymore. At the end, if there is still a number left greater than 1, it is a prime and gets added to. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. We try dividing the number by every integer starting from 2. If it divides evenly, we add that divisor to the result. We keep dividing until it no longer works. Then we move on. If we're left with anything greater than 1, it must be a prime number. Simple logic, but powerful. Let's look at some examples. 75 breaks down to 3 times 5 times 5. 18 becomes 2 times 3 times 3, and 101 is already a prime, so it stays as is. This confirms our function correctly and finds the smallest prime building blocks. You might be wondering, where is this used? Prime factorization is critical in encryption algorithms like RSA. It is also super useful for computing greatest common divisors or least common multiples. And if you've ever simplified a fraction, you've used this concept. So yes, it's math, but it is powerful math. To recap, we've built a function that takes any number and returns its prime factors. We've looped efficiently up to the square root of the number, dividing our primes step by step. This method is both clean and effective, great for any math-related tasks you'll encounter in code. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.